Hello, my name is Stephanie Toman and I'm here to take you through the accredited ICDL Advanced Database software. We're using Access to do this, so it could be in the version of 2016 or 365. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through, as I have on the other advanced qualifications that we do at Coventry University. You may or may not have seen them, and they are the word processing, the spreadsheets and the presentation software. This is the fourth one. So what this will be doing, this actual video that I'm doing today is the fundamentals. It's the starting process of everything. So ways that you can sort of get to understand these areas, you've got different types of databases. It takes you through creating a basic database at the beginning and designing a table. So it's really good to have some basics on database and understand it, the principles, etc., before you start this qualification. So if we just show you the sort of things that you could do when you're learning this one, there's a PowerPoint presentation that goes with it, and as you can see here, it takes you through these areas. But also, if we just come down on the different ones here, you can see that it takes you through the concepts. So these are areas that you would be expected to understand with regard to this first section, fundamentals. Now, the way to approach this could be that you're already aware of some of these things anyway, so you could just overview it, or you may not be. So a good way of looking at things is to use the manual. So there's a manual in the software materials that you'll be sent, and you can see here you've got a manual that covers everything within that syllabus. So if you wanted to look at SQL, for example, if you download this to your desktop, which you should do, hold the Control key and click, then this manual will jump to any areas that you want to look at with regard to the contents. The other thing it'll do is that if you use the Find option within this, you can actually type in an area that you want to look at. And once again, we could just use the SQL as an example, and it jumps to the area where you could take some stock and read that. Also, what you could do is another way is to use the internet, as we all tend to do. So as you can see here, I could type in SQL and then put databases in to get the latest information, or I could do examples, etc. And we can look at what is maybe take that S off, it might help. There we go. You can see how keywords can make such a difference with your searches. So that's another way of looking at what it is. So remember, this area that we're talking about with regard to the fundamentals is a multiple choice style area in the test. So in the diagnostic test, the online mock test, it would be a similar approach. You'd have some multiple choice questions at the beginning, and then it would get into the live application, whereby you would be having to apply different tasks that these videos will take you through step by step. And also, as part of the enrolment on this course, you will obviously get all of the practice materials that will help you to understand what it is you're watching on video. So this is a very simplistic sort of start. It takes you through different areas, but have some understanding of it so that you can then approach your multiple choice questions. And as you can see here, we're just getting started on using the actual application, and this is the nature that it will be at this stage, but then I'll be taking you through live videos as I've done on the other advanced qualifications. So that's the fundamentals, nice, short and sweet to get us started. So if you're doing this course, then carry on with me, and we'll be doing the next one soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.